Hi my friends, Ian here again with a new video, and this one is all about niche or niche campaigns. Okay, so I'm going over to the responder. So the way that I got to it was simply click on Pro Member Tools, and then if you have registered here with our autoresponder and used exactly the same details as you did for your Buildabizonline membership, you should be able to click on this and log straight in, just like that. So this is what we're talking about. There's a little link up here, niche campaigns. Okay, and I am replacing this video just here. This is actually, this is the one that you're listening to right now. Okay, so let's get over there and do something. So first of all, you need to create a campaign. So here goes. This one is about I'm going to do affiliate marketing. There's three almost ready made niche campaigns, but let's do affiliate marketing. Okay, and then once we've put that in that box, that's the name of it, and that's to give yourself some reference. I've already got one running. Okay, and there is 101 subscribers in there, but I'm just going to show you how I did it. Okay, or doing it the easy way. So what you need to do is to click on the templates and then come right the way down to the bottom and choose the affiliate marketing ideas. Okay, and then we just click update. So that's good. Now we can go click on campaigns again, and you will see straight away, if I click on that, it's already set up for you. No messing, capture pages in there and everything. But you do need to do one thing. Okay, so let me close that down. You need to go into the settings and you need to rename this to okay, at least do that, at least never leave that blank. Okay, you can copy that, copy, paste, that's what I'm doing. Okay, and then when it comes down to keywords, you want to put something like this. I'm going to paste it, and then after each word I'm going to put a comma. So think of all the different keywords that you want to try for. Okay, you've got to leave the email in there that you signed up with. Now we do not want any telephone in there, so that's that. And we do not want this. We don't want to follow up. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to click on here, and we're looking for the affiliate marketing. So we click on that, and all we need to do is let's have a look now. Oh, have I not done this one? I have not done this one, or have I done this one? Refresh, that's better. Okay, so all you need to do is copy this. I hadn't refreshed, guys. That's the thing. Sometimes people send in an email saying it's not working, it's not saved. And basically it's because we've not refreshed the page. So what I want you to do with this one is come all the way down here and click source, and then I want you to click onto there. Okay, now you can alter this to whatever you wish, so I'm just going to put, let's have a look now, see what I've saved. I'm going to click on the little anchor. I've got Buildabizonline in there and put my username in, which is Buildabiz. Okay, and then I'm going to click OK. So that's saved. That's good. A thank you page we've done. I think what I'm going to do with this, just make this a little bit bigger, somewhere around the 24. And anything else? You don't need this. So we're going to delete that. Okay, I'm going to put my little cursor there and I'm going to click the backspace to get it as close to the top as possible. And while I'm in here, for some strange reason, underneath the some of them, they add these two. Get rid of them. Just those two. Okay, then click source and click save. And everything on this page should have been saved. Okay, let's just have a look. Yeah, that's our thank you page. And we're going to test this now. That's all we've got left to do. Just test it. So we've saved that, but because of my paranoia, I suppose you could call it, I'm going to save it again anyway. And then I'm going to come down to the campaigns and I'm going to click on this and we're going to see if this works. Okay. So I'm going to put some details in here. And I'm going to put my email in, but I don't want you to see it. So I'm just going to pause a second. I'm going to put, okay, so I put my name in there and I put my email address in that I use for testing. And this is what we've got. So it's maintained the template and all it's done at the bottom of there is thanks for your interest. There'll be an email on the way. Now you could tidy up this bit in the settings page, but for now that's going to be good. So let me go over to this email address now. Okay, so because I've got my own cPanel domain and cPanel, I have a private email address. Okay, so this is the email that I will get. So now what I need to do is click onto that and it takes you to that code, well, that page where we posted the code in, the thank you page. So right down the bottom, congratulations, please find your free report, and so on and so forth. Click on this button and that's it. Simple. And they are all as simple as that to set up. So no more copying 3 lots of codes and pasting them in boxes and things like that. Okay, so there we have it. Excellent. So thanks for listening and bye bye for now.